Hi, my name is Farooq and this is Logitech's brand new mouse MX Master 4. I'm making this video because I've been using this for a really long time and this mouse is great. And here it is! Logitech MX Master 4 comes in this nicely designed box. Inside the box we're greeted with the Logitech MX Master 4 itself, the new and tiny Logibolt USB-C receiver, some papers, and that's pretty much it. Logitech MX Master 4 looks even better than MX Master 3S. The left and right click buttons cover the entire front side. They're super silent and the hardness is perfect. The scroll wheel is pretty much the same, the thumb wheel's new location feels more ergonomic, and we have an extra button next to the back and forward buttons. Just like the previous generation, it can pair up to 3 devices, and compared to the previous generation, Logitech MX Master 4 is a little taller, little wider, little deeper, and little heavier. However, it is still extremely ergonomic, it costs the same, and it has couple of really interesting features. We have a new feature, as you can see here, we have these markings around there because this thing has haptic feedback, just like the trackpad, just like your iPhone, and it works in tandem with the apps with the Logitech plugin. So let me show you how it works really quickly. So for example, let's go to Photoshop. So if I start carrying this, when it is centered, I feel a haptic feedback under my thumb. I want to review this here because this mouse works on every surface. And then we have another feature that is built to save you time, and it actually works. Normally it works with the button under your thumb here, but they added another button up here as well, and I switched it to this button because with the bottom one I usually like scrolling between the desktops. But what does this do? Let me tell you. It is called Actions Ring. So let's go to Photoshop. So when I tap on it, it opens up this menu, and from here you can go to sub menus, and if you go to something like where's the hardness, you can use the scroll to change the value, and then you can just tap on it and you're done. You don't need to go all around to change that setting. It's actually very clever, and once you customize it, it works great. Logitech says this thing has 2 times more connectivity, and if you had the Mac versions of these mouses, or if you tried to use it with the Bluetooth in the past with MX3, MX3S, you know that every once in a while it would get disconnected, it would have issues. Not this one. I've been using it without the dongle, without the little bolt connection, and it's been working great even with my Mac Studio and MacBook Pro. So if you're gonna buy the Mac version, you can buy the Mac version. It is fine. It just works fine. You can track up to 8000 DPI. It is super smooth and nice and precise. And I'm not just saying that because I've been editing videos and stuff with this before I make this video, and it is better than the previous generation. If you're using the previous generation, look into this because this is really good. When it comes to ergonomics, it is a little bigger. The material seems a little different. In the beginning, it felt a little slippery, especially on this side. I lift the mouse up a lot as I'm working. I like to work in a small area. So I lift the mouse up and bring it to the side and then move it. So it was coming out of my hand a little bit, but in time, that in time, it wasn't as slippery. The ergonomics is as you expect. It is really good. It sits in your hand really nicely. The scrolling wheel is fantastic. This wheel up here is really easy to reach. This button is really easy to reach. Everything is really nice and very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. I like it a lot. Logitech says this has battery life up to 70 days. I cannot wait to try it. So far, ever since I got this and charged it, I haven't charged it at all, and it's been 2 weeks. It has 85% battery. When it comes to colors, the PC version comes in 4 colors and the Mac version comes in 2 colors. It costs $119.99 and it is coming out in October 2025. Long story short, great mouse. I like it. They sent this to me as a review unit. They do not get to see this video. I'm about to eat a cone to my head. I feel like things are coming down. Well, thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think about MX Master 4 in the comment section below. Are you using the previous generation? Is this something you're excited about? I cannot wait to read your comments. And until I see you next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın. Yeah, I guess that's it.